In this video, we will look at Navigable map. A concurrent map supporting Navigable map operation and recursively so for its Navigable submaps. Navigable map supports concurrent access and has concurrent access enabled for its submaps. The submaps are the maps written by various methods like headmap, submap, and tailmap. So important Navigable map method, headmap, it returns a view of the portion of this map whose keys are strictly less than 2 keys. Tailmap returns a view of the portion of this map whose keys are greater than or equal to from key. And submap returns a view of the portion of this map whose keys range from key to 2 key. Example, we'll be implementing a Navigable map example using concurrent skip list map. Concurrent skip list map is an implementation of Navigable map. The map is sorted according to the natural ordering of its keys or by a comparator provided at map creation time, depending on which constructor is used. We'll be implementing headmap, tailmap, and submap method in this example. Now let's create a class for Navigable map example. The class name is Navigable map example. So let's create public static void main. Inside public static void main, I'll be creating an instance of concurrent Navigable map with the concrete implementation using concurrent skip list map. So concurrent Navigable map, and this map is integer and string. Map is equal to new concurrent skip list map, and here this is also integer and string. Now let's put values in the map. Map.put 1 and string a, and map.put 2 and string b. Let's copy this and paste it 10 times. Three, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. And C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and then J. Now let's print out first this map. So south Navigable map plus map. And now we'll be using the headmap method to return the first two elements. So south headmap less than or return all less than key, and plus map dot headmap and 3. So it will return me two first elements. Now headmap or tailmap returns all greater than key. Plus map dot tailmap, and let's say 3 over here, so it will return me all the values greater than 3. And submap it returns all between excluding last. So here map dot submap between 2 and 4. So it will return me 2 and 3. Now let's run this program. So it printed out navigable map 1A, 2B, 3C up till 10J, and head map returns all less than key. The key was 3, so it returned me 1 and 2, and tail map return all greater than key. In this case 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And here submap return me all the values between excluding the last, so it returned me 2 and 3, so it excluded the 4. So here it returns greater than equal to key.